How to remove and replace the 2-pole single-throw on-off switch on a ProTeam MegaVac BackPack vacuum. With the machine sitting bottom up, remove the plastic casing and rubber fitting holding the air filter in place. Remove the air filter. Remove the two 15/16 bolts holding the plastic vent cap in place. Remove the first 2 wires connecting the switch to the electric motor. Remove the 15/16 bolt holding the wire clip in place and remove the remaining 2 wires. With a pair of channel lock pliers, remove the plastic housing nut and internal tooth lock washer holding the switch cord to the vac's body. Remove the switch cord. Insert the new switch cord and be sure to replace the lock washer before securing the plastic nut. The motor or switch wires may be 14 or 16 American wire gauge. Referring to the diagram that comes with the replacement switch, connect the hot to hot and the neutral to neutral. After tucking the connected wires into the housing, replace the plastic retaining clip bolt. Be sure to position all wires outside of the vent cap's perpendicular side so that the wires are not resting on the electric motor due to risk of melting. Replace the vent cap bolts and the air filter. A new filter is recommended. Finally, replace the rubber air filter molding and plastic casing.